Hi everyone, welcome back to Hood Trends Guide. In this video I'll be sharing with you guys how to buy and sell cryptocurrency anywhere around the world. This very application I'm about to unveil to you guys will help you buy and sell cryptocurrency easily. If you have any cryptocurrency you want to sell, this very application will help you sell easily. And if you want to buy cryptocurrency, this application will help you buy cryptocurrency easily with just few steps. Even if cryptocurrency is not allowed in your country, this very application will help you get cryptocurrency easily. This application also works for Nigeria and so many other African countries. So if you're having difficulty buying cryptocurrency, watch this video till the very end because this app is safe and reliable. And using this app, how you'll be able to get cryptocurrency from this app majorly is through P2P. Aside P2P, you can buy cryptocurrency normally from this app. But let me start by showing you how to get cryptocurrency from this very app through P2P. So once you download the app, I'll unveil the name of this app for you guys at the end of the video. So watch till the very end. Once you download this very app, and you've registered, I've currently registered and I have an account with them. So what you need to do here now is to click on P2P. Once you click on P2P here, you see the buy option. It's currently on buy. These are the people, these are different crypto traders who want to sell their crypto. This is for USDT. You can switch to BTC, ETH, and so on, so that way you can switch if you want to buy any of it. You can look the amount of USDT the person is about to sell. Anyone you want to get from, you click on buy. You click on the buy here. You enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy. For example, this currency is in Nigeria. Let me just go with 10,000. You see 10,000 and 10,000 of USDT. I should be getting 10,000 naira. I should be getting 13.2 USDT. So after entering the amount, you click on buy now. The order will be made immediately, and you'll be able to buy this cryptocurrency within 5 minutes. And if you want to buy BTC, you go to the BTC section. You see different traders of BTC. Anyone you want to trade with, you click on buy and you enter the amount in your country currency or the currency you want to buy with. If it's in USD you want to buy with, you enter it in USD. If it's in Naira, any currency you want to use. For the purpose of this tutorial, I am using the Naira. So if I want to buy 10,000 worth of BTC, 10,000 Naira worth of BTC, I'll just enter it. As you can see, the worth of BTC. I'll now click on buy now. This way I'll be able to buy this BTC within 5 minutes. Moving back, let me show you other options. Here is where you can change the currency. You can see it's in Naira. Let me change it to USD. You can see it has changed to USD. These are different sellers selling in USD. But I'm currently in Nigeria and the currency I used is mainly Naira. That's why I'm using Naira. So if you want to sell BTC, like if you have any BTC, any cryptocurrency, maybe USDT, BTC, Ethereum, or XRP, what you need to do is to come to this sell segment. Once you're in the sales section, you see different sellers, and you see their various rates. You just look for anyone that his or her rate suits you. For example, if I want to sell to this very first person, I'll just click on the sell option. Then you enter the amount of BTC you want to sell. You can enter 10,000. 10,000 is worth of 13.15 USDT. So after entering it, you click on the sell now. That way the person will receive this order and he will credit your account. But before going through this step, I forgot to show you guys something. First, you need to add your account of payment the way you need to add your payment method the way you want to be paid in while selling your BTC. For example, I have a payment method here. I'm using OPay Bank. I receive my payment using OPay. So anybody that wants to pay me will just do a bank transfer to this OPay account. So that is how I do buy and sell my cryptocurrency, whether USDT, BTC, Ethereum, XRP, and so on. This very site is reliable. This very app is reliable, fast, and the rate is very good. The rate is very good on this site, and you can deposit from the site buying the BTC, and you can also earn BTC from the site through various means. Like you can see here, this earn segment to earn KuCoin earn. This earn segment you can earn various BTC like Ethereum, XRP, and so on. And you can also earn lifetime by referral bonus. You can also earn lifetime by referral. Once you refer someone, you'll be getting 20% plus of the person's trade. So it's also a plus for you. So guys, the name of this very application is KuCoin. You can check it out. KuCoin, you can download it on the Google Play Store, or you can get it on the App Store, and you can visit the website www.kucoin.com. So guys, this is the very platform I've been using to buy and sell BTC, buy and sell cryptocurrency of whatsoever kind. I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.